February is one of the best times to experience Rovaniemi. Winter is at its peak with deep snow, soft Arctic light, and real cold conditions. Around Rovaniemi, there are many activities you can enjoy during this time of year. One of the most iconic is dog sledding. Moving through silent forests, guided only by the sound of the sled and the dogs, it's a simple but powerful way to experience Lapland. As the sled starts moving, everything feels lighter. The cold air, the speed, the snow beneath the runners. Sliding through the forest brings a simple kind of happiness. No noise, no rush, just movement and focus. You don't think about anything else. You just enjoy the moment and the feeling of being part of the landscape. One of the happiest moments comes at the end. When the ride is over, the dogs slow down and everything becomes quiet again. Taking time to pet the dogs, feeling their energy and calm at the same time, creates a genuine connection. It's a small moment, but it stays with you long after the experience is over. Another experience starts with a very different speed, slower, steady, and relaxed. Reindeer move with their own rhythm, calm, curious, and sometimes a bit funny. They stop without warning, look around, completely unbothered. The ride becomes less about moving forward and more about smiling, observing, and enjoying the quiet moments in between. After the cold and the activities, it's time for lunch. A warm meal and a delicious salmon soup. Simple, comforting, and exactly what you need after a day in the Arctic. In February, sunset in Rovaniemi is not just the end of the day. It's a slow transformation. The sun sinks low on the horizon, painting the snow in soft shades of pink, gold, and deep blue. The light stretches for a long time, fading gently, as if Lapland doesn't want to let go of the day. Temperatures drop, sounds disappear, and the Arctic night slowly takes over. The Arctic Circle hiking area offers simple, flat walking trails that move gently through the forest. The terrain is easy, accessible, and ideal for a long, relaxed day outdoors. Wooden bridges cross frozen rivers, and the path follows lakes locked in ice and snow. Everything feels still and untouched, shaped only by winter and time. There is no rush here, just steady footsteps, cold air, and the quiet presence of nature. It's a place where you can spend the entire day surrounded by wilderness, walking slowly, observing the landscape, and disconnecting from everything else. In the Arctic Circle, nature sets the pace. From this viewpoint, the surroundings open up in all directions. Shadows from the trees stretch across the snow, drawing lines and patterns on the white surface. The landscape changes with every minute. Everything feels quiet and balanced. A moment to stop, look around, and simply observe the Arctic landscape as the day fades. The sun is gone. The light fades and the colors turn deeper and darker. The snow loses its warm tones and becomes cold and blue. Trees now appear as dark silhouettes, rising clearly from the white ground. The contrast sharpens, black forest, white snow, and a sky slowly slipping into night. The landscape feels more dramatic, more silent. Winter takes full control, and the Arctic evening settles in. We're taking a moment to slow down, sharing a few stories from our snowmobile adventure, catching our breath before one of the most challenging things we've ever done so far. Racing through the forest, trees flying past us at full speed, A snowmobile memory from Lapland, an experience we definitely recommend. The heat of the sauna surrounds us, steam rising into the cold evening air. Outside, the lake is frozen, silent, dark, and unforgiving. My body was already smoking before entering the lake, steam rising into the Arctic air. I step closer. With every step into the water, the cold climbs higher, and my breath gets shorter. Minus 16 degrees. The warmth from the sauna fades fast. The lake is frozen, dark, relentless. One step after another, breath controlled, body fighting back. The sauna glows in the dark, warmth in the frozen silence. Arctic tested us, and here we breathe again.